Asuddhana Purusha Dharmasyapi Parantapo Prapya Mannivartanti Mritu Sansara Vatmani. Those who are not faithful, the devotional service cannot attain me, conqueror of the enemies. Therefore they return to the path of birth and death in this material world. So this is the consequence. Do you understand? Therefore sadhus come, speak Krishna Katha, Hari Katha, because it's so nectarian, so relishing. Tava kathamritam tattva jivanam. You are afflicted in three tapas, and this Krishna Katha is soothing balm. Yes, it will give you peace, solace. Do you understand? Tattva jivanam, srimada, sravana mangalam. If we hear from the right source, all auspiciousness will come to you. All inauspiciousness will be destroyed. Sravana mangalam, karmasapaham, all your sinful reactions will be destroyed. Karmasapaham. Do you understand? Srimadatmam is pure with such spiritual energy, strength, potency here. And Krishna Katha, Bhuvi Gunanti De Bhuridajana, those who travel throughout the world and speak Krishna Katha, what they are giving us? Their dana, charity is incomparable, cannot be compared. They are most charitable persons. Bhagavatam says, most charitable persons. Bhuridajana, what they are giving? So nectar giving, life giving, they are giving us life. Yes, isn't it? But how many have faith in it? It's a question of faith. Therefore says, Adu Shraddha. Shraddha is the seed of bhakti kripa. Do you understand? Shraddha lobi jivo kore sadguru vichar. Her naam Chintamani, Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Shraddha lobi jivo kore sadguru vichar. And he comes with his good fortune arise, then he comes for sadhu sangha, and hears from sadhu and puts faith in his words, then he understands who am I, who is Lord. And oh, I am Krishna Das, and servant of Krishna, eternal servant of Krishna. Then I have to serve Krishna. But now I am serving Maya, so many lives. Then he cries, alas, alas, why have I been serving Maya? I must serve Krishna. Then what is needed? Take shelter of Guru. Sodhalobi jiva kore sadguru vichar. Who will teach me how to serve? The Guru is required. Then he takes shelter of Guru. And he understands who is Guru. Everything is discussed in Sadhu Sangha. Guru Tattva is also discussed. Isha Tattva is also discussed. Jiva Tattva also discussed. Isn't it? Sadhu says all these things. Then he accepts Guru's and his guidance, he serves Krishna. You understand? This is the process. But unless you have faith, you cannot do. You have no faith. He will never come here. Therefore, very few people, 2-3 persons came. Only most of them are devotees. Because they have no faith. Question of faith only. You understand? One who has faith is a fortunate person. He gets the seed of Bhakti Kripa, he'll make advancement, he'll accept Guru, serve Krishna, he'll become Krishna Das, no more Maya Das. He'll be very happy, free from all fear, lamentation, happy. As Bhakti Vinod Thakur says, what is that? Tumaha abhayo ashoko mrutir sthalo, tumar charana doyo tahate khana visram lobhya, charinu hobir bhoy. Do you understand? Your two lotus feet is such, O Lord, and there is no lamentation, no fear, no death. Taking shelter there, complete shelter, I fixed there, surrendering completely. I am very happy, very happy. Amar dukho dure golos, chinta na rohilo, chaudi ananda dekhi, all my suffering gone, all my anxiety gone. Wherever I see your such beautiful lotus feet, your such beautiful form, Syama Sundar form. Only rejoicing is there. Krishna is Anandamaya. He never sees any suffering. Such vision he gets. Understand? Dukho dure gala. All my sufferings gone, distress gone, unhappiness gone, anxiety gone. Chaudi Ananda Rekhi, wherever, in what direction I see all rejoicings. Such is the life, yes. But first thing is faith. is root, is base. No base, how will it be? Huh? Do you follow? And why? Why people cannot have faith? I said, they put faith in the words of material scientists who are cheating you. Why don't you put faith in this words of Krishna in revealed scriptures, Shastra, Sadhu? Huh? You'll be so happy, free from all fear, all lamentation, distress will go, everything you feel so happy, so joyous, so blissful, peaceful. Why? Do you understand? Do you follow?